Hello guys, welcome back to Python Numpy class 10 copies and views. While executing the functions, some of them return a copy of the input array, while some return the view. When the contents are physically stored in another location, it is called copy. If, on the other hand, a different view of the same memory content is provided, we call it as view. In this section of the tutorial, we will consider the way by which the different copies and views are generated from some memory location. Right. Let's talk about no copy. Simple assignments do not make the copy of array object, right? Instead, it uses the same ID of the original array to access it. The ID returns a universal identifier of Python object, similar to the pointer in C. Furthermore, any changes in either get reflected in the other. For example, the changing shape of one will change the shape of other two. Right. Let's take a look at this in an example. Let's import numpy as np. Let's a is equal to np dot range of 6. Print our array is print of a. Let's execute this. So what we have? We have an array of 1 to 6. Right. Now, what we is we'll apply id function. Print applying id functions. Print of id of a. This is a id function. This is the id of the our array. Right. Now what I do is print a is assigned to b. Print here b is equal to a. Print of b. So we have b is equal to a is we have a and b. They both are same. So we have made a copy. Hmm. Now we'll check the id of b. So we'll check the id of b. B has same id of here b. Let's execute this. So let's check what do we have. Do we have a b as the same id? Yes, it looks same. Now change shape of b. Now I'll change the shape of b and see what we'll have. Does it going to affect to a or not? So change the shape of to b. Then b dot shape is equal to 3 comma 2, right? Print of b. I've changed the shape to 3 comma 2. Let's see what would be the. So the shape of b is 3 comma 2, and check the shape of a as well. Print shape of a also gets changed. Let's see how. Print a. Now you can see shape of a and b. They both are same. See that? Why? Because their both IDs are same, right? This is a copy. How a copy works, right? All right, guys. We'll move to view or shallow copy. Numpy has ndArray.view method, which is a new array object that looks at the same data of the original array. Unlike the earlier case, change in dimensions of the new array does not change dimensions of the original, right? Let's take a look at this with an example. Numpy.view. Okay, let's import numpy as np. To begin with, a is 3 into 2 array. A is equal to np dot range of 6 dot reshape it to 3 comma 2. Print array of a is print of a. Let's execute this and see what we have. We have the array of 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now we'll create a view of this array. Print create view of a. B is equal to a dot view of b is equal to a dot view. Now I'll print b. Let's see what we have for b. So we have same a for a and b. Now we'll try to find out the IDs of a and b here. Print ID for both the arrays are different. Now so we print the ID of a is ID of a. Right, let's execute this. So what we have, ID of a is, this is the ID of a, and I'll print the ID of b as well. So this is b and this is b, and let's execute this code. See, the both the IDs are same or not. Here it is, they both are different, right? Now let's change the shape of b. Change the shape of b. It does not change the shape of a. B dot shape is equal to 2 comma 3. Print. Let's print this out, and shape of b is print of b. See what we have here is, and let's check the print of a. Let's see the shape of a. What we have here, shape of b and shape of a. Put the heading there, that will be easier to understand for you guys. Okay, let's say, so we have print of b and print of a. See that, shape of a, shape of b. This is a view which does not affect if we change it to b, right? Next one, deep copy. The copy function creates a deep copy. It is complete copy of the array and its data and does not share with the original array. Okay, let's take a look at this in the Jupyter notebook. So the deep copy numpy dot copy. Right. All right. Let's import the numpy first as np, and a is equal to np dot array of n comma n comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Print of array is print array is and print of a. Let's take a look at this array. So this is our array. Now we will create a deep copy of a. Let's create a deep copy of a. How do we create a deep copy? B is equal to a of copy. Simple. Now print array of b is print b. Let's see what we have. We have the deep copy. Now b does not share any memory of a. B does not share any memory of a in deep copy. Both the memories are different. Now let's check how. Print. Can we write b is a? Print b is a. Let's see. Is b is as it is as a? No. Now let's change the content of b. Print change the contents of b. Let's see what will happen. B of 0 comma 0 equal to 100. Right. Let's see. B is 0 comma 0. And now we'll print out modified array of b is print of b. Let's execute this and see. Let's see. This is we have changed the first array 0 of 0. That was our index 0, 0.0. So we got it, change it here. Let's see whether this has been changed to a as well. Print of a remains unchanged. Print of a. Let's see what are the changes we have for a and b. This is a and this is b. Now you can see it here. The both has been changed. So in that way, the both are using a different memory. All right guys, this is the end of the session. So we'll join you guys in next session of our numpy. So till then, you take care. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. All right guys, take care. Bye bye.